Mjolo Will Humble You by Ntendeni Rubengo. Episode 6, Virginity Contract. Babarasi. By the time I woke up, Dad was gone. Back to the shebeen to nurse his babalas. I'm out of here, I swear. I'm done with my family. Done with the smell of beer and pit toilets. Done with Fender. Done with everybody. Done even with myself. I want to run away even from myself, my own life. I'm out of here. That's it. I'm moving to Mars. Mars is Cape Town. I'm looking for an apartment in Cape Town. Hey. 2 million rands for a toilet. 10,000 rands for a dodgy back room I must share with a bunch of nyaupe roommates. I stopped searching for apartments in Cape Town because it's like a loudspeaker shouting at me saying, "You are poor. Don't ever dream of living in Cape Town. You don't belong here. You don't have money." Okay. Whatever. I give up. I hear Makazi's music playing at a shebeen near my house. I think that's where Dad went. So early in the morning. Mzanzi, ne? You guys can't take a break from beer? So early in the morning? Sis man. Makazi's music reminds me of Morality Camp where I met Thikho. We played Makazi's music on the way to the camp and in the taxi. And we quickly switched it up to gospel music and acted all holy when we got closer to the Morality Camp. At the entrance of the camp, everyone signed a virginity contract. I, Hayani Mudau, promise to the Holy Trinity, my pastor, my church, my family, my community, my future husband, that I will remain a virgin until my wedding night when I marry the man God will send my way. I pledge to be married to Jesus until I meet my husband. Amen. Signed on this date. After that, we each paid 100 rands for golden purity rings with the carving worth the wait. So yeah, we are all gonna go around with a bunch of rings on our fingers to remind everybody and prove to the world that we will be virgins until we get married. And wow, Munati. Cho, is this a joyous celebration concert or what? Is this church or a party? Yo, we had a great time on opening night. Bishop Mphephu ne? I told you before. Icing on the cake. He opened the camp with a prayer and an amazing speech. Yo, you know what, Abazalwane? I wish he was my age. And then the lady screamed, "Meet Thikho Mphephu." Wow. What a wow. Jesus. Lord. OMG. Yo way. This was my first time seeing Thikho Mphephu. This guy, ne? This hunk, ne? Hey. He is the guy people say he is. He is the hunk that he thinks he is. I'm in, I'm gone, I'm smitten. I cannot take my eyes off him. No one can. The ladies are screaming, pretending we are screaming for God, pretending we are screaming for Jesus, but who are we lying to? We are here for one person and one person only. Thikho Mphephu. Yeah, ne? Worth the legend. This guy is worth all the hype. Cho! After that, we lined up for a delicious 7-color meal after the church party. Thikho jumped the line to get his food. Can you blame him? No one is mad. He is VVIP. He's so hot. Someone like him shouldn't queue for anything. Go Thikho, like jump the line, eat all the food. We don't care. We're just happy to see you here. People like you shouldn't queue or line up for everything. You must get everything on a silver platter. You are so hot. You deserve it.